Have you ever wondered why some animal behaviors completely baffle scientists? Get ready to dive into the strange world of unexplained animal mysteries. First up, mass whale strandings. Despite extensive research, the reasons behind these tragic events remain largely unknown. Are they caused by sonar, geomagnetic anomalies, or something else entirely? Next, the incredible migrations of birds. How do they navigate thousands of miles with such precision? While we know about magnetic fields, many aspects of their navigational skills are still a mystery. Finally, consider the mysterious dancing mania observed in various animal species. From squirrels to snakes, mass gatherings with coordinated movements leave scientists scratching their heads. These are just a few examples of the animal kingdom's baffling behaviors. The more we learn, the more questions arise. What other animal mysteries intrigue you?